Hey, what's up YouTube? Just an update to the last video. I got everything kind of swapped over here. You can see the OEM dash leather hood there. Here's the carbon bezel attached. Here's the kind of steering wheel cover. Goes on top. You can see it. Boom. And I'll show you the back side of it. Yeah, so swapping it out off the OEM one. A couple screws up top. Took those out. I just swapped the what's it called? The touchless or the keyless start switch. The bezel I ordered, the carbon one, did come with the OEM piece on it. I just took it off just so I wouldn't have to take off the push start button. So I just swapped it with those 3 Phillips heads. And then I clipped this piece here. You can see the prongs right back onto this bezel. So it's ready to drop in now. And then that looks like moving this over the steering wheel, just getting it into place. Yeah. Pushing this back a little bit. It's hard to do it with obviously one hand. You get GoPros and stuff set up eventually, but yeah. For now, that's what I'm working with. Right. So get this kind of situated, and I'll start working this down. First things first is obviously connecting the push start button, and that's just kind of a harness back here. Let's see if I can grab it right quick. Right, there it is. Here's the connector for that, just like that. Right. Connect it to the back of, and in my car. All right, got him. More ants in your car. Yeah, there he is. All right. So get this clipped in if I can get the angle right. Jeez. Come on, buddy. All right. Wish I could show you what I'm working with back there, but space is a little limited, obviously. We have it backwards. Let me see. It's this way. There it is. All right, cool. Bam. All right, good little click. All right, and then up top, it's just gonna clip in, just like that. All right. Bam. All right, got that lower one in. There's that lower one. All right. As you can see, fitment's spot on. Perfect. Yep. It's not moving. Everything's smooth. This kind of fell into place now, just like that. All right. Then I'll take the bottom one. It's still hanging on the